We're learning about multiplication. I'm going to teach you how to use the short algorithm strategy. Let's start by reading the first question. 242 multiplied by 5 equals. The first thing we need to do is set out our algorithm with the amount we are multiplying first, so 242, and how many we are multiplying by, which in this case is 5, underneath. Next, we can start multiplying our numbers together. We always start with the ones column. So we are going to do 5 times by 2, which is 10. In the number 10, we have no ones, and we have 110, which we have to carry to the top. Remember, when we carry, we have to add this on. So this time, we are now going to multiply our tens. So we have got 5 times by 4 tens. 5 times by 4 tens is 20 tens, and we add on our carried 10. So that's 21 tens. In the number 21 tens, we have 200 and we have 110. We put our 110 down, and again we have to carry our extra 200s over. Next, we can multiply our hundreds. So we're going to do 5 times by 200, which gives you 1000, which is the same as 1000. Now remember, we have to add on our carried 200s. So we have 1000, add our 200s gives us 1200s. Because we are not multiplying anything in the thousands column, we can just write this in our answer. So we have 1200, which is 200s, we have 1000. Therefore, our answer to 242 times by 5 is 1210. Let's start with a slightly more difficult question. This time we're multiplying 2 digits by 2 digits. Here we have 73 multiplied by 27. We have to set out our algorithm in the exact same way. We have our number that we start with first and the number we are multiplying by underneath. So we have 73 times by 27. When we are multiplying 2-digit numbers, we start by multiplying the ones, and we use our ones and we multiply that by our 7 tens and our 3 ones. So let's start with the ones. 7 times by 3 ones is 21 ones. We put in 21 ones, we have 1 1, and we have our 2 tens, which we carry over to the top. Again, we have to remember to add this when we have multiplied. Now we are going to multiply 7 times by 7 tens. 7 times by 7 tens is 49 tens. Add our 2 tens gives us 51 tens. In 51 tens, which is the same as 510, we have 110 and we have 500s. Next, we are going to multiply by our tens number. When we multiply our tens, we always have to make sure that we have a 0 in our ones column as a placeholder. We're going to do 20 times by 3 ones. 20 times by 3 ones is 60, which is 6 tens. Now we are going to do 20 times by 70. 20 times by 70 is 1400, which is 1400. Now we have our 2 answers here. We have to add those together. So we have 1 1 add no ones is 1 1. 110 add 6 tens is 7 tens. 500s add 400s is 900s. And 1000 add no thousands is 1000. So the answer to 73 times by 27 is 1971.